Are you tired of manually sending messages to all your WhatsApp leads? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am going to demonstrate how you can add WhatsApp business leads to Sendgrid list. And inside this video, I am going to integrate these two different applications, WhatsApp and Twilio Sendgrid, with the help of Pabbly Connect. And after that, whenever I will receive a new message on my WhatsApp account, then that particular number will automatically get created as a contact in my Sendgrid account for broadcasting newsletters. So if you are ready to learn how I am going to create this amazing automation, then for that, let me take you to my screen.
Hi, this is Jay and now we are on my screen. So today I am excited to show you this amazing integration that I have created between WhatsApp Cloud API and Sendgrid with the help of Pabbly Connect. And with the help of this integration, whenever I receive an inquiry message inside my WhatsApp Cloud API account, I automatically add that particular number as a contact in my Sendgrid application. So now, first of all, I will show you a real-time example of how this automation will work. And for that, we will go on my WhatsApp account. And in here, you will see that when I will send this particular message, hello, I need to know more about that product. And when I will send this particular message in this chat, we will see that this number will automatically get created as a contact in my Sendgrid account. So you can see this is my Sendgrid account, and in here this new contact has got added successfully. So you can see this is the first name of my customer, this is the last name of my customer, and this is the phone number with which I have received this particular text. So this is how our result will look like when we have successfully completed creation of this amazing automation. And now I will show you how exactly I created this amazing automation. So to start creating this automation, we have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/connect. And after that, when you will click on the enter button, you will land on this landing page of Pabbly Connect. And in here on the top right corner, you can see we get two different options, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to click on this sign up free button given here. And from here, you can create your free account. And for your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Connect gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing automations. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button on the left here. But before clicking on this button, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members, and here individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now I will go back to my Pabbly Connect, and being an existing user, I will click on this sign in button from here. And after that, you can see I have got directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. Inside here, Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications, but today as we are going to use this Pabbly Connect, that's why I will click on this access now button inside the Pabbly Connects box. And after that, I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And in here on right corner, you can see this create workflow button is given to us. By clicking on this button, I can start creating a workflow for myself. And also on the left side here, you can see this plus button is given to us in front of this folders option. By clicking on this plus button, I can create a folder for myself, and in those particular folders, I can store my workflows to stay organized. Now to start creating a workflow, I will click on this create workflow button, and then I have to choose among these two different workflow builders. First one is our new or beta version, and the other one is our classic version. So for today, I will select our new beta version, which is modern, faster and more flexible. But you can also select any of these workflow builders for your preference. So I will select this workflow builder, and then inside this dialog box, I will give a meaningful name to my workflow as this add WhatsApp business leads to Sendgrid list. And from the second box here, I will select the folder in which I want to save this particular workflow, and then I will click on this create button. And after that, you will see that I will land on this most important window for our workflow, which hosts this trigger button. And this trigger button is like the event on which I want my workflow to get triggered. And after this trigger button, we will work on our action step, and that action step is actually the response towards this particular trigger. And if I talk about definition, trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So basically, this trigger and action buttons are the two basic concepts on which our whole automation is going to be based on. And now to help you better understand how this trigger and action buttons will work, let me share with you my objective for today's workflow. So today, for broadcasting newsletters, I want to push all my WhatsApp inquiries and save them as a contact in my Sendgrid application. So that's why today my trigger application will be WhatsApp Cloud API. So from this search bar here, I will search for my trigger application, and you can see this is my trigger application. I will select it from here, and for my trigger event, I will select this message notification because I want my workflow to get triggered if I receive a message notification on my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And now to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button, and then you can see we have received this webhook URL. So first of all, I will copy this webhook URL from here, and then we have to follow the steps explained under this hyperlink given here. So when I will click on this hyperlink, you will see that I will land on this particular page, and inside this page you have to follow all the steps given under this WhatsApp Cloud API section, and by following those steps you can easily connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. And if you have any doubt regarding this process, then you can also watch this attached video here for any doubt. But for now, to save our time, I will show you directly how you can connect your WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. And for that, you just have to go on a new tab and enter developers.facebook.com, and after that you will land on this particular Meta for Developers page. And when you are inside this page, first of all you have to create an application for yourself. And if you want to learn how you can create an application for yourself, then for you I will attach a link of that particular video in the description box of this video. And after creating an application, you have to click on this My Apps given on the right side here. So when you will click on this My Apps, then inside that particular window you have to select the application that you have created for yourself. And when you have selected the application that you have created for yourself, on the left side here you will see that this WhatsApp drop down is given to you. So from this drop down you have to select this configuration, and when you are inside this configuration, you will see this callback URL box is present in front of you. So first of all, I will paste the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect inside this callback URL box. And for this verified token, we will go back on this page, and in here when I will scroll down, you will see that this verified token is available for us here. So I will copy this verified token from here, and then I will paste it inside this particular verified token box. And then I will click on this verify and save button. And after that, from the select product drop down here, I will select this WhatsApp business account product, and then I have to scroll down and I have to look for messages. So now you can see when I will scroll down, this is our messages. So first of all, I will click on this button here to subscribe to this messages, and then to send a test message to Pabbly Connect, I will click on this test button. And then when I will click on this send to server button, we will see that our response has successfully been sent to our Pabbly Connect account. So now we will go back to our Pabbly Connect account to see that we have successfully received this response in here. This means that our trigger step is working all fine. So now I will move towards my action step, and for my action step I just have to click on this plus button, and then from here I will select my action application Sendgrid. So you can see this is my action application, so I will select it from here. And for my action event, I will select this add or update a contact, because I want to add or update a contact inside my Sendgrid application every time I receive a new message regarding inquiry on my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And now to connect Sendgrid with Pabbly Connect, I will click on this connect button, and after that you will see that I have got these two different options: add new connection and select existing connection. So if you want to connect your Sendgrid account with Pabbly Connect for the first time, then you have to go with this add new connection. And if you have already connected your Sendgrid account with Pabbly Connect, then you can go with this select existing connection. So now to show you how you can add your connection for the first time, I will go with this add new connection, and then we have to enter the token inside this box to successfully connect our Sendgrid account. And to get the token, you have to follow the step given under this box here. But for now, I will show you directly. So first of all, you have to log into your Sendgrid account, and then you have to open it. And after that, from this left side here, you have to select this settings option, and inside this setting option, you have to select this API keys. And after that, inside the API key, you have to click on this create API key. And then first of all, you will give a name to your API key. Like you can see, I named my API key as this. And after that, you have to click on this full access. Then when you will click on this create in view, you can see this API key is now visible to you. So you just have to copy this API key from here, and then you have to go back to your Pabbly Connect account, and then you have to paste this API key in here. So after pasting this token inside this box successfully, you have to click on this save button to save your connection successfully. And here you can see your connection is saved successfully. Now you just have to fill up all of these following fields to successfully complete this integration. So first of all, I will fill up all of these fields one by one. So you can see when I will click on this list here, you can see the list that I have created in my Sendgrid account is now visible to me. So I will select it from here. And when I will show you, so you can see this is my Sendgrid account, and inside this marketing box, when I will click on this contacts, you can see this is the list WhatsApp leads that I have created in here. So when I am inside my Pabbly Connect account, you can see I have selected this exact same list. So inside this email box, I will type down this particular email, admin@pabblytools.com, and after that, for this first name, you can see when I will click on this drop down, I have got only this name in which my full name is written together. So as this box is asking for first name and last name separately, that's why to separate my name, we will take help of an amazing feature by Pabbly Connect known as text formatter. So I will click on this plus here to add a new action step, and inside this box, I will search for my application text formatter. So you can see I have selected it here, and now I will click on this split text because I want to split my full name in first name and last name. And now I will click on this connect button. Then inside this text to split box, I will map this profile name. And after that, for this separator, you can see as I want to use this space as a separator. So that's why I will just copy this space text from here, and I will paste it inside this particular box. And for this segment index, I will select all because I want to split all of this text. And you can see when I will click on this save and send test request button, here my full name has been successfully split in 3 different parts: test, user, and name. So now I will go back and I will again add my action step Sendgrid. So you can see Sendgrid, this is my action application, and for this application event I will select this, and now I have to click on this connect button. And as I had already shown you how you can connect your Sendgrid account with Pabbly Connect, so that's why this time I will go with this select existing connection, and then I will click on this save button. And here you can see I will again select WhatsApp leads as my list, and then inside this email box I will type down this particular email. And after that, you can see for this first name, when I will click on this text formatter drop down, from here I will select this test as my first name, and I will select this user as my last name. And if you want to fill any of these fields like unique name, address line 2, you can fill them, but for now I will skip them and I will directly move on to this phone number. And for this phone number, I will click on this drop down of WhatsApp Cloud API, and in here you can see this is my phone number, so I will select it from here. And for this WhatsApp number also, I will map the exact same number from here. So with this, we have successfully mapped all of the details which I want to map inside this particular fields. But before clicking on this save and send test request button, I know that you must be in doubt that why I have used this term mapping and why I have mapped the data inside some of these particular fields. So for your information, let me tell you that when we map data, then that particular data becomes dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will capture any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if I had filled those fields manually, like if I will fill the name or number of my user manually, then that particular field will remain static and will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why we have to maintain a balance while we fill up these fields. Like if I want some data to get changed automatically, then I will map it. But if I want some data to remain static, then I will type it down manually. So now I hope that you have understood why we have used mapping to map some of these following fields. So now I will click on the save and send test request button, and after that you can see we have received this response, which means that our contact has successfully got added inside a list of my Sendgrid account. So now we will move towards my Sendgrid account and we will see in here a new contact with this name test user has been created successfully inside my list WhatsApp leads. So you can see this was my first name, this was my last name, and this was the number that I have entered inside those particular fields. With this, I have successfully demonstrated how you can automatically add all your WhatsApp inquiry leads as a contact in your Sendgrid account. And this integration will work instantly whenever you will receive an inquiry message on your WhatsApp account. So this is how you can also create such an amazing automation for yourself with the help of Pabbly Connect. And now if you want to clone this workflow, then for you I will add a link of this workflow in the description box of this video. So you can go and clone this workflow from there. And if you liked this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this given website here. Also, if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with our friends. Thank you.